Welcome to MTV Bakra. We're at the Oval in Mumbai, a wonderful place where I learned my cricket and scored my first test century. I scored 35, as you know by now. And we've got Lara here. He's come all the way from Trinidad, Brian Lara. He's Lara kya khaya? New line. He's eaten a little more. But Lara, would you like to see a Bakra down on Indian cricketers? Which Indian cricketer would you like?
Yeah, I would say Rahul Dravid.
Dravid? Should we try Dravid? Dravid pe karu Bakra? Solid batsman hai yaar. Defense is very tight. Difficult to penetrate that defense. But MTV has done it, and we will show you just how, with the help of a lady. You can say it's a bit of an in-swinger. Let's see what happens when a journalist comes and asks questions and then asks for a little more. Rahul Dravid, facing the music, the perfume ball man.
Hello, sir. Oh, sorry. I'm Saili. We've come from SNTV, Singapore. Can we interview for 5 minutes, sir? A small review, sir, not more than that. We've got real lot of Singaporean fans. Oh, okay, sir. Fine.
I've been on television many times before and done a lot of interviews. But the only difference between the interviews and this show is that on the interviews, I have to answer what the interviewer asks me. And I'm always worried whether he might ask me a tricky question and how I'll be able to duck his bouncer.
Hi, friends. This is Saili. And we are here to meet Rahul Dravid, the person himself reporting from Mumbai. Hello, Rahul. Same here. Tell us, Rahul, how does it feel to be so famous? You've got such a lot of Singaporean fans.
It's got a good moment.
Yes, this was Rahul Dravid. And now we'll have the next speech. आप अभी 5 मिनट के लिए बाहर जाइए जरा. Just 5 minutes, sir. It's like I've been a fan of yours for a real lot of days. Other than the SNTV stuff, like my real thing was coming from Malaysia out here was to meet you. Actually, I'd been to Bangalore. Your school, St. Joseph's, 10th A, right? Next to the biology lab. I sat in that class just to feel how would it be around with you. I wanted to see you, like, shake hands with you. It was so nice. And then it's like after that, I've always been a fan of yours. After you started playing cricket, I used to see you on television, so fascinated by you. And then I always wanted to ask you one thing. Rahul, will you marry me? Please, Rahul, please don't do this. Please,
Hello.
please, Rahul.
Crazy?
I've got Babuji. Please, Rahul, please, no. Babuji.
बैठिए सचिन सचिन बैठिए
Excuse me, Rahul.
सर आप बैठिए प्लीज बैठिए बेटी आपकी बहुत फ्रेंड है
Please don't do this. Please.
बैठिए 1 मिनट बैठिए मेरी
Don't need to panic, sir. Please, sir.
प्लीज
Please.
बैठिए मेरी प्लीज sit down there आप बैठिए how old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Yeah, I think you should concentrate on your studies. उसको बोलो अपने पढ़ाई का ध्यान दे और ये शादी वादी का कुछ ख्याल सब छोड़ दे. हाँ? ये क्या है कि आपके मर जाएगी वो लड़की. बेटे आपको जो चाहिए मैं दे दूँगा. आप बैठिए.
Rahul Dravid folk in the flesh.
Club MTV, please explain it to me where it is the club. There is no building, there is no secretary, there is no bearer, there is no soft drink even. Huh? What club? One pool with shameless ladies and one two gent dancing there? The club? I don't want to be member of this club.